In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do rear of the foot side to side foot rolling. Now here I've got a massage ball, but you can use anything like a lacrosse ball, a cricket ball, anything of a similar size and shape. So the area that we're going to be targeting is just in front of the heel. So if we've got the heel here at the base of the foot, we're going to be targeting this area where my fingers are, and we're going to be rolling the ball from side to side. There's a couple of ways we can do this, and I'm going to show you the beginner version to start off. This is a fantastic thing that we can do to release the plantar fascia, and for those with plantar fasciitis, this is a really good one to use, especially first thing in the morning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the ball just at the rear of the foot. Now you can apply in this position as much pressure as you feel comfortable. So I'm looking realistically for a 7 out of 10. Once I've got that 7 out of 10, I'm then going to roll the ball from side to side. I can apply as much pressure as I feel is comfortable. You might start off with a lower pressure and then go higher. And then if you really are a glutton for punishment, you can come into this position and you can roll and have the forefoot and toes completely on the floor, and you can do this exactly the same with a standing position as well. And whatever you decide to do, you can do 2 to 3 sets of 30 seconds. I wouldn't recommend doing too much too soon, especially if you've got something like plantar fasciitis. Ease into it. You can do this once a day, twice a day, but no more than 2 times preferably.